Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Mango Live application on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar on the top left corner. Type Mango Live. Tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Once you find the application, simply tap on Install button. Wait for the installation. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open. Now you can either create your account or log into your existing account. And that is how you can easily install Mango Live application on Android. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.